こんにちは、シンエット TV のシンゴです。今回はFUNシリーズ Day6 10分間の楽しく痩せるキックボクシングダンスです。 Day5 まで終えた方お疲れ様でした。今回も音楽に合わせて全身引き締めていきましょう。このチャンネルでは楽しく引き締めダイエットができる動画を投稿しています。ぜひチャンネル登録よろしくお願いします。今日も一歩前へ。
It's amazing the subtle games that you I play, and you don't even know I exist. But you have got me on your hit list, and you're conspiring. Girl, you are sexual and bad, and now you got this on your conscience. Cause now I'm unresponsive. Shots through my chest as you watch me bleed. Every kick, drum, hit is a symphony. Every brush of your curves is the air I breathe. You speak, I am listening. Sweat rolls, girl, you're glistening. Slow-mo, pull me into the light, the light. There are people watching us, wishing they were obvious, instead of giving in to the fright, the fright. Run through the fire, I walk the wire. I would sell everything I own. I'd swim the ocean, dance with the devil. I'd sell my soul to take you home. One heart to survive when one just breaks. One slow suicide while one just takes and takes. One choice for the good of you, but not the one you make. One worth dying for if you saw her shake, shake, shake. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. I am listening. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. You are glistening. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. I am listening. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. Run through the fire, out the wire. I would sell everything I own. I'd swim the ocean, dance with the devil. I'd sell my soul to take you home. Run through the fire, out the wire. I would sell everything I own. I'd swim the ocean, dance with the devil. I'd sell my soul to take you home. The world is hearing static, but I am asymptomatic. I'm the only one out here on the floor. The foundation is shaking and the windows all are breaking, but I'm not about to run for the door. Save yourself by never wishing you were somebody else. Stay for the fire and swim through the night of the flood. Ain't nothing weaker than a feeling. Hold up your ladder and sing for somebody else and draw that line so you can see it even when you go blind. Stay for the fire and swim through the night of the flood. Hold up your ladder and sing for the ones that you lost. Stay for the fire and swim through the night of the flood. Ain't nothing weaker than a fever. So hold up your ladder and sing for the ones that you lost. Ain't nothing stronger than the people we love. The world is here static, but I am asymptomatic. I'm the only one out here on the floor. The foundation is shaking and the windows all are breaking, but I'm not about to run for the door. I'm not about to run for the door. I'm not about to run for the door. I wanna show you what it feels like. 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 Stay by the fire and swim through the night of the flood. Ain't nothing weaker than a fever. So hold up your ladder and sing for the ones that you love. Ain't nothing stronger than the people we love. I've been making mistakes, trying to cure a heartbreak, but it's all in vain. All up in my feelings, staring at the ceiling, trying to keep my heart on straight. If I could turn back time, would I say goodbye? Baby, would I let you go? Could you tell me why I keep switching sides? I don't really know, so please forgive my bipolar heart, baby. No medication can save me, save me. So back and forth lately, keep keeping you waiting. Please forgive my bipolar heart, bipolar heart, bipolar heart. Every little thing is confusing me, almost like the pain is amusing me. Well, am I wrong or right? Should I fight or flight? Sometimes I wonder if I'll even make it through the night. Cause I hold you tighter when you let go, not change my mind when you get too close. If we light this fire, will it go cold? Go cold. Please forgive my bipolar heart, baby. No medication can save me, save me. So back and forth lately, keep keeping you waiting. Please forgive my bipolar heart, bipolar heart, bipolar heart. If I could turn back time, could I make things right? If I could turn back time, could I make things right? Oh, if I could turn back time, could I make things right? Wish I never let you go. If I could turn back time, could I make things right? Wish I never let you go. I'm ready to let you go. Please forgive my bipolar heart, baby. No medication can save me, save me. So back and forth lately, keeping you waiting. Please forgive my bipolar heart,
ご視聴いただきありがとうございます。この動画が役に立った方はグッドボタンをお願いします。コメントに感想やダイエット報告をいただけると嬉しいです。このチャンネルでは楽しく引き締めダイエットができる動画を投稿しています。ぜひチャンネル登録よろしくお願いします。また次の動画でお会いしましょう。